just plain floor done.
He'd never do it I want him to do.
We only build trucks. Come see them at Ram Power Days.
Get 0% APR or trade in your vehicle and get $7,700 total values on Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab.
Yeah, he got bit. Aww. Here he goes.
She just had her tonsils out.
Yep, now they're fighting.
Scheme of things, but the surgery could have taken a big dip out of
How about we make a love circle?
Fortunately, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Alabama covered it with one of the lowest victims. So all her parents have to dip into.
No, you did grumpy face.
Or two. Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Alabama.
I just want to play.
What matters?
Yeah, I think Milo's going to beat you up here soon. He's going to be a lot bigger than you, girl.
Yeah. Snap!
Yeah, Milo, you know that.
She's the boss. She's always been the boss.
This is how he gets bigger.
Blue is big.
Blue is weird. He looks like you.
I know, I miss my baby.